in the first, 3 in the fourth, 1 in the fifth, 3 more in the sixth inning. Tommy Weingartner came on in that inning to finally extinguish that 2-out rally that the Sandats had going. That's been the story of the ball game. 2-out production for the Sandats. They had a 2-out RBI in the first. They had 3 hits in the fourth with 2 outs in the inning. And then, of course, in the sixth inning, the first 2 men were retired before 3 hits and 2 walks with 2 down. Finally, Tommy Weingartner came out in relief of Juan Guzman to finish off that sixth inning. Bottom 7 coming here. Weingartner back out. And he will get Frenzel, Sable, and Evans will be coming up here for Savannah. Savannah's a pretty good ball club, it seems. Good pitcher in Cesar today. And they've gotten enough 2-out production to score 9 runs. So Cole Frenzel will step in from the left side of the plate. Weingartner deals from the stretch regardless of base runners. The pitch is a little bit up and away. Weingartner, a little bit, a lot of elbows and arms with that delivery. It's a little bit tough to see if you're a hitter. Not exactly fluid straight over the top as he comes to a set and out of pitch. It's a little bit wide of the outside corner, and the count will go to 2 balls and no strikes. The bottom half of the 7th inning, Birds down 9-0 here. Weingartner to a set, 2-0 pitch. Is swung on and lined off the netting right in front of our location, up in the press box. Thank goodness for that netting. No concern with the ball going into the box. 2-1 the count on Frenzel. Crowds the plate. Weingartner sets. 2-1 is wide of the outer corner with a fastball. The count will go to 3 balls and 1 strike. Shorebirds this season have not given up 9 runs. So Savannah plates 9 against Delmarva so far. The 3-1 is swung on, popped up, maybe a broken bat, short and right center field. Bernardino running forward, slows down to a jog and makes the catch. And that's out number 1 of the inning. Most of the Shorebirds have given up before tonight was 7. That was in a 6-inning loss to Greensboro on the 19th of April. So, about 4 days ago, they gave up 7 runs. That's the most, or actually 11, my mistake, against Kannapolis earlier in the year. Second is 7, so they have given up 11, 9 runs here for Savannah as the pitch will hook its way towards the outer corner, and the count will be at 0-1. 11-4 was the final score of that game against Kannapolis on the 9th at Purdue Stadium. Here's the 0-1, cut and a miss, and the fastball blown by him, and the count goes to 0-2. A man out, bottom 7, nobody aboard. Tommy Weingartner has retired both batters that he's faced so far after coming on with 2 down in the 6th inning to replace Juan Guzman. 0-2 pitch, that's inside by the back knee of Stephen Sable. There have not been too many games in which the Shorebirds have been blown out this season. Here's the set, 1-2 pitch. That's about a 58-footer or so. 2 balls and 2 strikes. Shorebirds were shut out by Hagerstown earlier in the year, 4-0. The largest margin of defeat is that 11-4 game when they lost by 7. They have not lost by more than 4 since that 4-0 Hagerstown win. 2 balls, 2 strike pitch. That's inside. That's to tilt his head back out of the way. And the count goes full at 3-2 on Sable. Does not have a hit today, but has been aboard once on a walk. He did come around to score in the 4th inning. Weingartner to a set, target outside corner. 3-2 pitch is swung through and Misty got him with a heater. Down goes Sable. 2 outs in the bottom of the 7th. Weingartner has now retired all 3 batters that have come to the plate against him. And Philip Evans is coming up. So Evans will stand in from the right side Evans a 2-run double back in the 4th inning of play. He struck out looking in the 2nd, popped to second base in the 6th inning as Weingartner will come to a set, now deliver. That pitch is too far inside, 4-1. Right-hander v. right-hander. Middle infield backed up, corner infielders are backed up. Weingartner to a set, the 1-0 pitch is taken. That's a strike, a little bit above the waist, and the count will even up at 1 ball and 1 strike. 2 outs, bottom 7, 9-0, Savannah at a 1-1. Swinging a line drive in the air, short and right field, charging forward. Bernardino reaching down as he angled towards the line and forward, made the catch around the knees, and the side is retired. 8th inning coming up. Weingartner, good job. 4 up and 4 back down over 1 1/3. 8th inning, Savannah 9, Delmarva 0.